Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing an app with you that gives you cashback whenever you do your grocery shopping. But for the purposes of this video, we want to go into the website so that I show you how you can get your cashback whenever you do your shopping. Alright, so when you Google Snap and Save, you will get to the home page, which looks like this, and then you will say sign up, and sign up is totally free. But because I already have an account, I'll just go to log in. You would have to sign up because you don't have an account with them, and fill in all your details. So let's log in and see how it works. Okay, I'm just gonna put my number and my details and log in. So I've just logged in into my account, and when you log in, you get to the home page, which looks like this, right? So what you do is that whenever you have just come back from your shopping, or before you go to your shopping, you can actually book the offers. So the offers are all the items that when you buy, you get cashback on. For example, if you buy milk, if you look at this one, if you buy milk and you spend over $12.50, you get 10 cents, and you can buy as many as 10. Now let's look at another example of offers that are available. Okay, so we have the nappies baby dry, for which you get 20 rand for buying, and they specify the size and everything. So for this one, it's size 5, and it's the package that has 42 diapers. Okay, so another trick that you could use, because there's a lot of items that are available on offer, what you can do is that you can go here in order to filter if you want to find the specific product. So if you go here, you can filter for the different categories. For example, if you only want to see the baby products or the bakery, you can just take which one you want to see, and then you can also sort by the newest offers that are available, the ones that have the most cashback, and the popular ones, and so on. Okay, so now let me show you how you actually book the offer. Let's say, for example, I have bought eggs, or I'm planning to buy eggs. What I'll do is that I'll say book, and then it will say that you have booked your offer, and you are given 48 hours in order to take a picture of your till slip. And once you have done that, you can go to my booked offers, and then you can see the offers that you have booked, right? So I've booked eggs, and here it says any tray of eggs, and you have to spend 12 rand and 12.50. Now, because they didn't specify whether they want you to buy the 18 eggs or the 60 or the 30, they just say as long as you've spent more than 12.50. So once you've done that, you need to take a picture of your till slip. Once you've taken the picture of your till slip, you just go to snap my till slip, and then it will ask you where you bought the item from, or where the till slip is from. For example, it can be a garage, it can be CNA, Checkers, your ShopRite. So let's just click Checkers for now, and then after that, let's see. So after that, you will have to tick here, because I only have a tray of eggs. Now, if you have different products that you've booked, and the till slip contains those products, you will have to click all of them. So I'll just tick on eggs, and then you say upload my till slip. So I'm just gonna upload any slip that I have on my laptop, for the purposes of showing you guys how everything works. This is just a random picture, so I'm just gonna upload that. And then, say for example, your till slip is long. You know, when you buy too many groceries, your till slip can be long. And if you take a picture, it's impossible to take a picture and include all the information that is in the till slip. Another thing that's important is that the picture needs to be a clear quality, showing the store name, the VAT number, everything. It needs to be the full and complete picture of your till slip. So if it's long, you can actually take the picture in bits and pieces. So you could have 3 or more pictures, for example, and then you have to upload each one of them here, right? So this is just one. Assuming it's one till slip, I will just click on or rather I'll just upload one picture, and then once you've done that, you say submit. There's also some tips that you can read on here for taking till slips, because if for example the picture that you've uploaded of your till slip is not clear enough, or there's information mismatch. For example, you booked eggs, but on the till slip it doesn't show eggs, it can get rejected. So make sure that whatever you've booked, you've actually bought, right? Okay. And then once you've done that, you have to wait for about 2 working days for them to approve your cashback. So once your cashback has been approved, you can check it under My Wallet. So just go to My Wallet, and then you'll see all the cashback that has been approved. It will say cashback, and then the thing will be green. If it's rejected, they will send you an SMS, and they will also send you an email. And then if you go here, you can actually see the reason of the rejection. So if you want to read the reason of the rejection, you can just click on this arrow, and then you can read the reason why your snap has been rejected. And then what you can do afterwards is that you can go to resnap, and then you can fix whatever error that they say there was in your till slip. And then in terms of how much I have personally made from this website, so under My Wallet you can actually see the total balance that you have, and I have made 33.45 rand, and that is purely because I have not been consistent. So sometimes I'll say I will do it and then end up not doing it. And then another thing is that the offers change. So for example, if my till slip had a chocolate, by the time that I want to snap, the chocolate is no longer available. So that's the only reason why. But I think this site has potential, and you can actually make a lot of money. Now in terms of withdrawing, I haven't withdrawn yet, but you can withdraw if you have a balance of 50 rand or more, and it goes to your bank. So it's via EFT. Another thing that I think that you can do in order to maximize your earnings is to actually ask your friends, ask your neighbors, ask anyone in the family to give you the till slip every time they come back from shopping, and you can actually use it to get cash back. Or if you go to the mall and you find that people throw away their till slips, you can just grab it and you come and snap, and you will be able to maximize your earnings. And my final thoughts is that the website is actually a good website to make some extra cash, because you're literally not doing anything except doing what you normally should do, which is buying groceries, because everyone needs to eat. Another thing is I've included the link to the website on the description box below. So if you want to join, you can use that link and you will be credited with 10 rand. And then you can also share your link with other people, and they can be credited with 10 rand as well for them to start. And if you have enjoyed this video and you enjoy the content in my channel, please do subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below. And yeah, that's it for today.